Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to delete your YouTube channel permanently? When you delete your channel permanently, all the videos you have uploaded will be permanently deleted and you will no longer be able to access it. So first, we will download those videos to our local computer. Open your favorite browser. Go to youtube.com. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Go to YouTube Studio. In the left sidebar, click on Content. Hover your mouse on the video and click on three-dot icon. Click on Download. Wait for the download to complete. Once all the videos are downloaded, click on your profile picture again. Select your channel from the drop-down menu. Go to Channels tab. Here you can find all the channels you are subscribed to. When you delete your channel, all your channel subscriptions will also be deleted. Make sure to bookmark your favorite channels before deleting. Now to delete our channel, click on the profile picture at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced Settings. Click on Delete Channel. Enter your password and click Next. You can find two options. First, I want to hide my channel. Second, I want to permanently delete my content. Click on I want to permanently delete my content. Select the checkboxes to confirm and click on Delete my content. In the dialog box that appears, enter your email address and click on Delete my content. It will take some time for your channel to get deleted. Now go back to YouTube. Click on your profile picture again. Click on your channel from the drop-down menu. Hit refresh. As you can see, the channel has been deleted permanently. This is how you can delete your YouTube channel permanently. Thank you for watching.